Hello, my traders. How are you doing? Uh, thank God we have met again. And today's video is going to be very snappy. I mean, we're going to keep things very short. I feel like pausing here to ask some questions, and I will need honest answers. And what I mean is that I sat down to think of the content I have so far brought to you on this channel. About 57, 58 videos, tutorial videos. And most of you have watched almost all of them. But it looks as if we are still where we are. It looks as if there is no headway in the whole Forex thing. So I felt like I need to pause a bit and then ask you some few questions, because the truth of the matter is that I am not just putting out videos here for views or whatsoever. That is not my vision or the mission. So if I'm just putting out content here, doing videos because I want you to watch, that is not me. That's not the reason I'm here. I'm here to actually share something that will benefit you. So if you are watching and you are still not finding the way, I think there will be a need for me to pause and then ask you some few questions, and then we'll pick up the pieces and see where there are loopholes, and then see how to patch those loopholes and then continue. So today I want you to be honest with me. I am not going to do a video, although there are a lot of topics I need to cover. But I still feel like at this very moment, if for nothing at all, you should be trading on your own. You should be doing some demo trading on your own. You should be doing some trade setups on your own without any difficulty. But if there is one way or the other, some kind of difficulties, I think we need to sort that out. I please want you to be honest with me and tell me where you have a challenge. I wouldn't call it a problem. I want you to pause and tell me where you have a challenge. Currently, what is bothering you, or what you are finding difficult in the Forex market. And then let me see if I can address that, because it is very important to me. I really want you to understand what I am saying from the perspective I'm coming, because I'm not here just to make content for views. No, that is not the reason I'm here, to make content for views. No, but I want to make content that people will learn and get something out of it. That's my reason. So if I feel like people are having challenges, I need to pause. Then we address those challenges before we move on. So please, I want you to write your challenge in a form of a message on this video at the comment section. I'll be taking my time to read. Those of you who already have my contact and will want to send me your challenge personally, I will really appreciate that. But I will also appreciate if you put it on the channel, so that if someone is also having a similar challenge, the one can actually, be in your shoes as well, or comment on it as well, so that I will address some of these things. So tell me your challenge. At this very moment, you should be doing some demo trading, because you've watched almost all my videos. So if you still can't press the button to know how to sell or buy, set some take profit and stop loss, and then come on, those things, you understand. I mean, if you can't do some trading on your own at this very moment, I'm not saying you should be a profitable trader at this very moment. That is also another issue to discuss another time. But at this very moment, you should be able to start trading and be able to assess yourself and see whether you are making progress. So if that is not coming, or if that is not happening, then I need to ask you. I need to ask you. So that is why I am not bringing any tutorial video today. Today is a day of questions and answers. I need you to just give me what you think is your challenge, what you think I should address, or what you think if I should do, it will help. That is what I want. Now, let me make this announcement before I go. To those of you who have signed up, who have created a live account through my broker link. I gave a broker link as my broker. So those of you who have signed up with my broker, please, and please, I want you to chat me. Tell me that you are one of the traders who sign up through my broker, because I have something for you. I want to hold your hand and show you something. I want us to do this together, because signing up through my broker link, is more or less like being my downline. So if I don't help you to succeed, it means that I won't also succeed. You understand? Because once you begin to make profit, that is where I may get some commission from my broker for helping you, or when you are succeeding. So I feel like I need to help you succeed, because you sign up through my broker. So if I'm going to make some commission, I should help you. So please, if you have signed up through my broker, if you have registered a live account through my broker, please tell me. Send me a message or leave a message on this video. I'll quickly come and then respond to you and get in touch with you. I need to have a one-on-one discussion with you. I want to see why you are not making it. If there need be, we should take some things up and help you to come up to that level. If you also want to register through my broker link, please, you can do that. Okay, my son is here. Daddy is making a live video. Do you want them to see you? They will see you soon, don't worry. He's becoming a Forex trader soon. So please do that. If you also want to register through my broker link, at the description of this video, I will leave the link of my broker, the link to the broker where you can sign up. I'll leave it there. And once you sign up to register a live account, please let me know. Okay, once you register a live account or you sign up through my broker, let me know so that I can begin to take some things up with you and see the way we can grow together. But please leave me an honest comment as to the reason you are still stuck, because we want to be the alternative. You understand? So tell me what the challenge is and what the problem is. My son wants to be in the video, but it is too early to put him in the video. So I'm ending here. So please leave me that message. I'll be reading them. And then in my next video, I'm sure I'm going to address some of the challenges you put up here. So please do that. And I would love to listen to you and hear from you. God bless you. And remember, I am here for you. I am not here because of views. I'm here because I want to help. So let's do this together. Okay? Thank you very much.